The impact of technology on space exploration and discovery has been immense and has shaped the way we think about and approach space exploration. Here are some examples of technologies that have had a major impact in the field. Propulsion systems. Advanced propulsion systems such as ion engines and solar sails have enabled spacecraft to travel greater distances and at higher speeds, making it possible to explore new parts of the solar system and beyond. Communications technology. The development of new communication technologies such as high-speed data links and deep space networks has enabled us to communicate with spacecraft at greater distances and with more reliability. Imaging and sensing tools. Advancements in imaging and sensing technologies, such as high-resolution cameras and spectrometers, have enabled us to gather more detailed data about the objects and environments we are exploring. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are increasingly being used to process and analyze vast amounts of data from space missions, enabling new discoveries and insights. Remotely operated vehicles. Robotic vehicles, such as rovers and landers, are used to explore parts of the solar system that are too dangerous or difficult for human astronauts to visit. Micro and nanotechnology. The development of micro and nanotechnology has enabled the creation of smaller, more compact and cost-effective spacecraft. Advanced materials. New materials such as composite materials and superalloys have enabled the construction of more durable and reliable spacecraft. Laser and optical technology. Laser and optical technologies such as interferometry and adaptive optics have enabled us to gather more precise data about the universe and its objects. Space-based observatories. Space-based observatories, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory, have provided us with new and unprecedented views of the universe. 3D printing. 3D printing technology is increasingly being used to fabricate spacecraft components, enabling the construction of more cost-effective and reliable spacecraft. Solar power. Solar power technology has become increasingly important in the field of space exploration, providing reliable power sources for spacecraft and enabling longer missions. Big data analytics. Big data analytics tools have enabled scientists to process and analyze vast amounts of data from space missions more quickly and accurately. Cloud computing. Cloud computing technology has enabled scientists to store and analyze large amounts of data from space missions more easily and cost-effectively. Space debris monitoring. Advances in space debris monitoring technology have enabled us to track and predict the movement of space debris, reducing the risk of collisions with spacecraft. Autonomous systems. Autonomous systems, such as autonomous rovers and landers, have enabled us to explore new parts of the solar system with greater efficiency and reliability. Virtual and augmented reality. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are being used to simulate and explore space environments, enabling new forms of training and education. Cybersecurity. As more spacecraft and space-based systems become connected, cybersecurity has become increasingly important, protecting against hacking and other forms of cyber attack. Launch vehicles. Advancements in launch vehicle technology, such as reusable launch vehicles and air launch systems, have reduced the cost and increased the reliability of launching spacecraft into orbit. Spacecraft autonomy. The development of spacecraft autonomy has enabled spacecraft to make decisions and perform tasks without human intervention, improving mission efficiency and reducing risk. Human spaceflight. Advances in human spaceflight technology, such as new spacesuits and life support systems, have enabled astronauts to explore new parts of the solar system and beyond with greater safety and comfort. In addition to these examples, there are many other areas of technology that have had a significant impact on space exploration and discovery. For example, advances in materials science have enabled the creation of more durable and reliable spacecraft, while advances in robotics and artificial intelligence have enabled the creation of autonomous systems that can explore new environments and gather data without human intervention. Furthermore, new and emerging technologies, such as nanotechnology and biotechnology, hold great potential for shaping the future of space exploration. For example, nanotechnology may enable the creation of small, highly efficient spacecraft, while biotechnology could help us better understand the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. Overall, technology has had a profound impact on space exploration and discovery, enabling us to explore new parts of the universe and uncover new and exciting discoveries. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that the impact of technology on space exploration and discovery will only grow stronger, opening up new and exciting possibilities for space exploration in the years to come. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and comment below. And if you want more crazy facts, subscribe and press the bell icon.